Congratulations sa ang mutya ng Section E. Grabe yung reception. We see it online. How do you feel? Kasi ikaw ang laging binyag talaga ng mga bagong love team now with Viva. Even before in Star Magic, di ba?
Actually, si Miko Del Rosario yung unang naka-notice niya na parang lahat ng projects ko, parang ako yung taga-launch ever since. Mula kay JM sa Angelito Batang Ama, sa Good Vibes, sina James Reid, sina Enrique Hill, from Annalisa, kay Blythe, kahit si Barbie Imperial, nag-start sa Araw Gabi. Diba? Parang kumbaga yung hindi ko lang ni-launch pero in a way first love team na sila Erich and Daniel,
yes.
Diba? Or yung Sarah Jalid, but the rest it's really more of Liz Ken, Josh Lia, parang ganun. So ang ginagawa ko na lang nun basically is, diba, parang kabisihan ka nga ng buhay, mas sinatong ko yung sarili ko. So what's your purpose? Why am I doing this? Why am I a director of film and television? And later on, na-realize ko na maybe my purpose is to fulfill other people's dreams.
Wow.
So parang mas ganun. Parang mga connection. So parang yun. So every time I see my, diba, Joshua Garcia na, Julia Barreto, Liz Ken, parang light, diba, feel a certain sense of pride na parang yun, na-fulfill ko yung mission ko in life.
Wow!
So yun. So I think that's my purpose of being a director. And I think gusto ko rin naman siya. I feel more comfortable working with newbies kasi mas mabilis mong nakita naman kanina, diba? Kahit anong sabihin ko, okay lang. Hindi ako medyo iffy na, using euphemism or kailangan kasi baka ito wala pas ng ego, they're eager, they're more of like dreamers, so mas madaling katrabaho. Mahirap pero but at least sumusunod. So yun yung sense of fulfillment ko. Tatayin lang kaya ako ng talent agency after my directorial career, no? Baka doon tayo yayaman. But yeah, so yun. So I'm happy. Kaya na ngayon, I'm really proud of the 16 and even the Section E na after this show, tinatanong ng Viva saan sila pwedeng ilagay, anong next na projects nila, and narinig ko ang dami lang follow-up projects after this series ends. So I'm just so happy for them. I'm happy na, sabi ko nga sa kanila, basta pag matanda na ako, 1K lang per month for my retirement. So okay na ako doon, madami naman kayo.
Direk, syempre working with Andres, since this is his debut talaga, di ba? I mean, he has his sitcom, pero first lead kasi ito, di ba? So, kamusta siya?
I'm really very proud of him. I'm so surprised because even if it's a showbiz royalty, walang arte. Nakita yung kanina, di ba? Ang bilis lapitan, ang goofy, kahit anong sabihin ko. But of course, lahat naman ng to ay dahil sa workshop pa lang, naset na namin na, Andres, hindi kita itatratong Andres. If gusto kong pagalitan ka, if gusto kitang pagsabihan, huwag kang magagalit sa akin, ganun talaga. It's basically in the context naman of work. So, ang importante, ang gusto ko kay Bagets is open-minded siya. And at the same time, ang dali lang niyang katrabaho. I'm really surprised about the kissing scenes, about the profanity, na normally, pag showbiz royalty or first time, hindi papayagan ng parents, hindi papayagan ng management kasi bakit umiinom, bakit may profanity, bakit may kissing scene. But yun naman yung nagustuhan ko rin sa Viva management at sa mga parents ni Andres. They know that, it's about the role, it's about the character, it's about the craft. So, push lang, go lang. So, in fact, kinilig ako because I used to work with Aga Mulak. I was the assistant director of All My Life. Siyempre, hindi niya ako maalala. That was more than 20 years ago. But after the 3rd episode aired, he asked for my number. Bilang nag-message sa IG, nag-message lang just to say thank you. It's a good show. In fact, ngayon lang siya tumawag kasi naghahanap siya ng pwedeng mapintas, pero wala na talaga siyang mapintas. Kaya congrats daw to the whole team. So, yun, nakakakilig. Parang full circle na parang, it also reminded me of my age.
Grabe.
From Agang Mulak na 34 lang pa lang ngayon, biglang si Andres na 23 yung naka-work ko. So yun, so I'm really happy and I'm really grateful also na part ako ng journey ni Andres sa kanyang showbiz career. And I'm just really excited kung saan siya mapupunta after this. Kasi kumbaga, sabi, tama, taga-ere lang naman ako. Taga-ere. After that, go forth and, do your thing.
Si Ashtin naman, direct. Kasi, newbie din kasi siya talaga, di ba?
Yes, newbie, but she's been in the business since 2016. She's been part of girl groups. She was part of many Viva project series as a support. Hindi mo lang siya kilala. But she really worked her ass off for this role. She deserves this. She auditioned for this. She deserves this. She came from the province, from Quezon, pumunta dito to fulfill her dreams. kumbaga kung saan siya nilagay ng Viva kasi gusto niya acting lang naman talaga kasi nga fan siya ng Star Circle. Gusto niya mala Star Circle quest daw pero nilagay siya sa girl group, nilagay siya ng push. So this is her biggest break after being in the business since 2016. So I'm really just happy for her and nakikita niyo naman yung hard work niya. Hindi niya ako binigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Sobrang kaya niya madirect. Sana hindi siya magbago talaga. Wala siyang PA, guys. Wala siyang glam team.
Wow.
Mag-isa lang siya sa bahay. And then, so I guess that's what I like about her because she's so independent, napaka-grounded niya. At so yun yung nire-remind ko sa kanya, pag sumikat ka na, please don't forget that. Kailangan always kang grounded kasi yun yung magpapagaling sa yung artista. And hindi ko lang masabi sa yun, I'm very happy ang dami ng projects after this. Yun.
Last direct, of course, ang dami nag-aabang, Astres. Kamusta sila on set? How directing them? Ano ba sila? Kasi ang daming mga lumalabas na BTS na grabe naman ang makakiligan talaga. Tuwan-tuwa silang lahat.
Yeah, hindi ko nga alam kung totoo na or part pa ng work. Ayoko makialam sa personal life. Kasi nakikita ko naman yung closeness ng dalawa na develop talaga from being acquaintances to close work friends to very good friends. Sabi naman nila single pa rin sila. So kung yun yung chismis, wala. Sila pa single po sila guys, but they're really just very close. And I guess that's a good sign of, you know, a partnership na alam mo marami pang projects na gagawin kaya okay yung close sila because they will learn to fully trust each other and you know, really work together as a team for their careers.